Greek chicken Filo pie. So what I've got some chicken thighs. They've got the skins on and the bones. What I'm going to do is just whip the skins off. Obviously get the bones out. We've got a dish. We've got some balsamic vinegar. Olive oil. Salt. Some pepper. Turn them over. And season again on this side. And we'll pop these in the oven and keep an eye on them. Put them in about 180 until they're cooked, and then we'll come back and we'll make the rest of the ingredients up. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so while we're waiting for the chicken, got some spring onions here, or scallions if that's what you want to call them. I'll just take the little outer layer off. So into this bowl we've got some seriously strong cheese. So this is a lot of soft cheese. It's really nice. Got some grated mozzarella. Chopped onions. Have some feta cheese, and we'll just crumble this in. Got some oregano or oregano. Here we've got some roasted peppers. Add that to the mix. Now all we have to do is just wait for the chicken, so we'll be right back.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so we're back. Got a chicken. It's been cooked in olive oil, balsamic vinegar and salt and pepper. It smells really lovely as it is. Put this in with our mixture. So we'll just let that sit for a minute. Let me have a tidy up and we'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we've got some melted butter. This is olive butter. So we'll stick that just there. Got some Filo pastry. So take a sheet. Some olive butter. Then another one. And some of our filling. Fold this in. All the time, just adding butter. So a nice little parcel. Now I have a tray over here, so I'm just going to lay these in, and we'll crack on with the rest of them. So we've got all these all wrapped up. Use the rest of this olive butter up. You have to excuse the state of my t-shirt today because it's been about 95, 97 today in the UK, which is very rare, so it's really hot today. Hopefully next week it's going to be disappearing. So we've got some roasted black sesame seeds. These are just going to go on the top. And these are going to go in the oven for about 35-40 minutes at 180. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll just make sure these are really nice and golden brown. So we'll see you soon.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so there we go. There's quick and easy Greek chicken filo pie with obviously filo sheets, butter and some sesame seeds for garnish. And we got some boneless chicken thighs, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper, cream cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and some feta cheese, an egg, spring onions, or scallions if you want to, you know, whatever, and some roasted red peppers, which were all chopped up, and they look really tasty, and some obviously oregano. So thank you so much for watching this quick and easy one. So I'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, bye.